Hi, Steve here for 3fortymedia. In this video we're going to take a look at the Featured Post plugin. So just before we start, I'm running the Carino theme in this demo, but regardless of the theme that you're running, the options and settings for these plugins will be exactly the same, or at least very similar. So you can find the Featured Post plugin in the Customizer panel, 3fortymedia Featured Posts, and it's separated into Category Featured and Home Featured. And depending on the theme that you're running, you may have one or two additional panels here. Let's take the Home Featured Posts. Now the Home Featured Posts are located before your standard WordPress loop. So here we have our featured area, if you've activated it. Then we have our Home Featured Posts, and then we have our standard WordPress loop. In this example, I've chosen the posts I want to display. So I've chosen specific posts, and I've entered the post ID separated by commas. And these are the posts that are displayed here. This is an ideal method if you want full control over the posts that are displayed and you don't want them to change dependent on actions that are taken within a database. For example, if we choose recent posts, this will now display the most recent posts in your blog. And as you add posts to your blog, this will be updated. So if I added a post today, this will be updated and would show the post I just added. Similarly, if we choose popular posts, and popular posts are defined by the number of comments. So the more comments a post has, the more popular it becomes. And again, as posts receive comments, these may change to reflect those changes. So specific posts is the way to go if you want full control over this area and you don't want it to change unless you choose to change it by changing these post IDs. Now if we select recent posts, we're now displaying the most recent posts in the blog. But if we choose a category, let's say we choose the art and design category, we're now filtering the recent posts by category, so we're now displaying the most recent posts in the art and design category. Similarly, if we choose popular posts, we're now displaying the most popular posts in the art and design category. So you can see how you can use these filters to display just the posts you want to display. Now regardless of whether you choose a category or not, these recent and popular methods are dynamic. So they are based on changes that are made to the database. So as you add posts or as posts receive comments, these may change to reflect those changes. So specific posts is the way to go if you want full control over this display area. So we can choose number of posts, we can choose a post style, we have default and cover, a thumbnail size, landscape, portrait and square, and of course we can toggle the metadata. So we can toggle the excerpt, we can toggle the entry title, author, category, date, etc. So you can build the perfect display. If we publish this, let's now go to the category featured posts. If we take the art and design category, I think we've got some featured posts in this area. Okay, so here's our featured posts in the art and design category. Now category featured posts are very similar to home featured. The only major difference is the way that we select these posts. In home featured posts we specify the posts we want to display or choose recent or popular within the panel. Here we choose them differently. So let's take the lifestyle category. In lifestyle category we have no featured posts. We have 6 posts in total and we have no feature displayed here. If we want to add featured posts to this area, we need to come out of here and we need to go to the posts. So we know we want to display posts in the lifestyle category. So let's find a post in the lifestyle category. Here's one here. Let's edit this post. Now I'm running the Gutenberg editor here. If you're running the standard editor, it will look a little different. But the location of the featured post setting is exactly the same. In the right panel, scroll down until you see 340 featured posts. Check this, then update. Let's check another one. Again, lifestyle category. Let's edit this post. Now you can check these options as you're adding the post. You don't have to go back afterwards. Again, 340 featured post. Let's check this option. Let's update. Let's take a look at our changes. If we go to Appearance and Customize. Let's go to the lifestyle category. And you can see these are the posts that we've added to the featured posts area. And it's as simple as that. Now if we head on to category featured posts, and in the same way as the home featured, we can toggle the metadata, the post style and thumbnail size, etc. Again, maximum of 3 posts for this display, but that may change dependent on the theme. Now one thing you may have noticed is that the featured posts are duplicated in the standard archive loop. And that may be okay, that may be exactly what you want, but if you want to remove the post that you've added to the featured posts area from the standard loop, all you have to do is check exclude featured posts from loop, and this will remove the post that you've added to the featured area from the standard loop. And I think that about wraps it up. Thanks for checking out the video, and I'll see you in the next one.